Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go and cover how we can use endnotes on our Microsoft Word document. So in the previous video we went ahead and used footnotes, and the difference between a footnote and an endnote is a footnote is going to display that note at the bottom of the page where you added it, whereas an endnote is going to display it at the very last page. So in the previous video we went ahead and we defined what YouTube is. In our scenario, this was a long time ago, 2004, 2005, when YouTube was first launched, and not that many people knew what YouTube was. So what we wanted to do in that situation is we wanted to define what YouTube is for the person reading the document. And what we're going to do instead now is we're going to go ahead and use a endnote to go ahead and define YouTube. So what we need, it's literally the same exact process for the footnote. So we're just going to go ahead and place our cursor to the right of the word that we want to add the endnote for. And then if you're not already there, head over to the References tab, and then you're going to see an option right here that says Insert Endnote. So let's go ahead and insert an endnote. You can see it jumped us all the way to the bottom of the page, as opposed to when we used a footnote and it put us on this page. But still the same thing. If we go right over here, you can see now, instead of the number 1, we have a little I character. So let's go ahead and define what YouTube is. YouTube is a video hosting service that allows you to view and upload videos. Okay, let's scroll back up, and then let's go ahead and highlight it. You can see it shows it the same way that the footnote did. So it gives us an kind of a little preview of what that endnote is. And it works the exact same way for a footnote. If it was a footnote, it would have just been a 1 instead of the I. And you can use this for multiple words throughout your document. So there may be cases where you mention something that isn't common knowledge. So maybe it's some sort of terminology or lingo and you want to define it, and it's not appropriate to define it within the body of your document. You can just add that endnote or that footnote. So that is how you're actually able to add endnotes on your Microsoft Word document.